If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Allocate the Learning Space. Today, we are going to continue our topic Excel count function. In my last video, I have given you the basic introduction of count function, the syntax of it, what are the types of a count function. Also, we have learned the count function and its syntax. We have covered the 5 example of count function. Similarly, we have also learned about count a function, its use, syntax and 6 example of the same. If you haven't gone through that video, I have mentioned the link below in description box. So in this video we are going to cover count blank function. So let's move towards our practical section. Count blank function. So why we use count blank function? Count blank function is used to count the number of blank cell in a range. It also counts the cell which contain formula that return empty strings and contain only a single code. Cell which contain text, number, error, space, etc. are not counted. So what is the syntax of count blank function? Is equal to count blank in bracket range. To make the things more clear, I have said 3 examples. I have used the same pattern which I have used in my previous video for count and count a function. That is, in the first column I have mentioned the numbers which will help to understand the result. It is actually a number of entry, means with the help of this we can understand what result we are getting. Fine. Also, I have highlighted the cell which is actually blank or which seems to be blank. So let's move towards our first example. So just check the formula bar is equal to count blank B7 to B15. Fine. So what result we got? 3. Because in this range we have 3 blank cell. So we got the result 3. Fine. So let's move towards our second example. Check the formula bar is equal to in bracket D7 to D15. Here I have highlighted 3 cells, but we got the result 2. Why? Just check the formula bar. This cell, though it seems to be a blank cell, but actually it contains space. I will delete this space. See, my result got changed. Again, I will insert some space. Means, though it seems to be blank cell, but actually it contains space. So, the cell which contains space are not counted. Fine. So, we got result 2. It counts this cell and this cell, that is D13 and D14, but it ignores D11 because it contains space. Fine. So, now third example. Just check the formula bar is equal to count blank bracket F7 to F15. Now what result we got? 3. As I said before that I have highlighted the cell which is actually blank or which seems to be blank. Now we will check that whether this cell is actually blank or not. Just check the formula bar. You will see that it consists single quote. That is F8 consists single quote. Then F13 it consists of formula which written blank. That is empty string. Okay, and just check F14 it is actual blank cell. Means as I said before, it counts the number of blank cell, also the cell which contain formula that written an empty string just like F13, and also counts the cell which contain a single code, just like F8. Fine. I hope you have understood this CountBlank function. Now we just check how this count function helps to maintain the attendance sheet. Okay, here's the attendance sheet of a company consisting technical and marketing team. With the help of count function, we can find how many days a particular employee present or absent in a month. You will see that I have filled the cell with H and P, which help to know that in that particular day Radhika Shah or any employee is present. H stands for holiday, P stands for present. And I kept the cell blank, which help us to understand in what day that particular employee is absent. So if the cell is filled, then that particular employee is present, and if that cell is empty, then it will consider the absent mark. Fine. So just check the formula bar. Here we will check the present day of Radhika Shah. Just check the formula bar is equal to count day in bracket C7 to AG7. What result we got? 29 days. Means Radhika Shah is present for 29 days. As I said before, that it will count all the filled cell. Here we have filled the cell with H, which stands for holiday, and P, which stands for present. So we got result 29. For how many days she was absent? 2. You will see that I kept 2 cell blank, which means Radhika Shah was absent for 18 January and 19 January. So we got result 2. So just check the formula bar is equal to count blank in bracket C7 to AG7, and we got 2 as a result because it counts the blank cell. If we count for how many days Radhika Shah was present, fill the cell and apply count a function, and if we want to know for how many days she was absent, just apply count blank function and keep that cell empty. So with the help of these two functions, we can maintain the attendance sheet. Just check the attendance of Deepak Desai. Check the formula bar is equal to count A in bracket C11 to AG11. Here we got 31 because just check the cell, it is completely filled. So it will count the cell which is filled, and we got 31 as a result. Just check the absent column. Here we got 0 as a result because there is no blank cell. Fine. So we got 0 as a result. Fine. Here I have tried to clear count A and count blank function. I hope you have understood all these 3 topics, that is count, count A and count blank function. Practice well, and in case you have any doubt, just write in comment box. If you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.